guys, our episode for today, I'm gonna make this one creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Welcome to Ruana TV. The ingredients are of our recipe for today is spaghetti pasta. This one. The Alfredo pasta sauce. Milk. Any kind of milk. Chicken. Shredded cheese. Butter. Salt taste. And pepper. Okay, let's get started. In a boiling water, just add the pasta. I'll cook this until it's cooked. Okay, I'll go back, guys, after this pasta was cooked. Okay. Now our pasta is almost ready. Just drain it. In a low flame, we do our pasta sauce. Hit the pan. Garlic is an optional if you want to put the garlic or not. You can put it. But no, I choose to put the garlic. Just chop it. Chop it in a small. Garlic is enough, or 3. This is good for 2 persons. The garlic is optional. You can, if there is no garlic, it's okay. If there's a garlic, it's okay also. And just dump and chop in there. Then add the chicken. Don't burn the butter. Then add the chicken. We need to select the chicken because our chicken is fresh. You can use cooked chicken. chicken if you like. And then change to high flame. And wait. I'm using this ready mix Alfredo pasta sauce, any kind of brand, as long as white sauce for pasta. So you can make fettuccine chicken pasta, but now I'm making spaghetti chicken pasta or Alfredo pasta. Spaghetti chicken Alfredo. This is good. This is complete ingredients. The ingredients are water, cream, Parmesan cheese modified, cornstarch, soybeans, canola oil, modified egg yolk, salt, sugar, butter, salt, seasoning, roasted garlic, and natural flavor, black pepper also. This is a complete sauce. If you want this pasta easy to make, oh, you can use. They have a spaghetti sauce, just check out in your market. You can add some salt if you like, but I prefer not to put salt because they have already salt in this one. So just getting and let us see it's a little bit brown, and then you can see the chicken was cooking, and then you can add the sauce. It's easy to make. If you have available white pepper, because I don't have available now, much better white pepper. Put this one. You can add also. Small. Especially if your butter is salty butter, you don't need to put some salt. Okay, she's getting okay now. Just going to prepare something there. Little bit plating. Good for the teeth, or if this one is easy to make, you don't need to spend more time in the kitchen. So let's a bit more. 20 minutes to make it. 10 minutes preparing, 25 minutes, 15 minutes cooking. It's almost ready. It tastes lovely. need to stir it occasionally because we're using the butter. We don't want to make it burn. And then she's fine now. Just set aside a little bit of this for garnishing. Okay, we put our sauce. One of these and 500 grams of this, or the fettuccine, spaghetti or fettuccine, and then stir up. Then you can add the milk, half first. Let us see what happens. And then wait until it's creamy. Then you can adjust your flame to high. And now the pasta sauce is ready. We can put our pasta. I cut it before because you don't need to cut it in the end. Easy for our mixing. Mix it. Now it's for our plate. You can stay. If you want very creamy, you can leave in a low flame so that the sauce will evaporate in the whole pasta. And then let a little bit burn. So this is our creamy Alfredo, and then our toppings. Chicken goes here. And sprinkles with the cheese. See, like that. If you want a lot of cheese, it's up to you.